I'll chant it out as we move along so that you guys can you guys can easily fall down to the ground and mope. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. In this video, I have prepared a fun dynamic Latin dance known as Jive. It is also known as a happy dance, and I look forward to showing you guys how the leader's basic steps in Jive works in this video. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now let's go ahead and begin with our beautiful Latin dance posture. Our feet are gonna be nice V-shape, heels together, toes slightly apart, ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up, abs engaged, chest open, and shoulders down. From there, imagine someone is pulling you up straight towards the sky so you feel elevated on the upper body. Let's move on to our steps. For leaders, we're going to go ahead and start with our left foot, going back, replace weight back to the right, and we're going to do the side step to the left, bring it together, step down, once again to the left, this time side step to the right, together, drop down. That's it. Let's try that one more time. Left foot, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Very good. Now it is time for us to focus on the footwork. I'll chant it out as we go so that you guys can easily follow along. Ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat. Very good. Let's go ahead and move on to our timing for Jive. For Jive, there are quite a few different ways that dancers will count out Jive counting, so I'm going to chant it out as we move along so you guys can hear it and retain them together. Slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rock, step, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Now, let's try together to the music. Keep a nice posture. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we've tried it to the music, let's go ahead and discuss the techniques of Jive. For those of you that have not watched the swing basic step, I highly recommend you guys to go back and try that dance out because we briefly talk about the importance of sway motion back and forth, which is also applied in Jive. Basically, for sway motion practice, we're going to lead with our shoulders, followed by our hip, to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right. And this motion will be applied during our triple step or side together side step, back and forth. For Jive, one of the important difference compared to the swing is that we are bringing our knees up high and we are a lot more elevated than swing. So every time you are doing the rock step, we are going to bring our knees up, and also we are going to bring our knees up by squeezing our ab, lower ab, in a brief moment. It has to be a quick dance because Jive is going to be a lot faster than the swing, right? So we are going to bring our knees up and sway and rock, step and sway. So every time you're beginning the triple step, if you bring your knees up high, that's going to also add the characteristics of Jive and distinguishably looking different compared to when you're doing the East Coast swing dance. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out this fun Latin dance jive with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another fun dynamic dance. Bye!